Hello, all the students and good morning. I hope you all are doing this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it on time because whenever school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I have given to you. So please be sincere and do your homework in a copy. Please eat healthy food, play some indoor games. Okay, student? Today I am going to teach you maths. Chapter 8 is going on. Page number 85, example number 13 there. Now come to example number 14. Question is which is smaller? 2 whole 1 by 3 or 9 by 2. So now for solution. Okay, so change 2 whole 1 by 3. When I will change, it will become 7 by 3. And one number is already I have 9 by 2. So see how we can show it is smaller and greater until unless we will not do the same denominator. So what we will do, we find okay LCM of 3 and 2. Okay, 3 and 2 because 7 by 3 denominator. We find the denominator. Okay, we find the denominator LCM. Okay, so 3 and 2 LCM will be what? 6. So we have to think in both number. We have to take out the denominator 6. So first number is 7 by 3. So 7 by 3. When I will multiply with 2, denominator will become 6. If I multiply with denominator 2, then I will multiply with 2 numerator also. So 14 by 6. So LCM is 6, so you have to take out the denominator 6 in both number. Second number is 9 by 2. 9 by 2 into 3 into 3. 9 into 3, 27. 2 into 3, 6. So in both number, denominator is 6. Question is you have to find which is smaller. So therefore, 14 by 6 and 14 is smaller than 27. This shows 14 is smaller than 27. So therefore 14 for what I have taken 14 by 6 smaller than 27 by 6, or we can write, see 14 by 6 for which number I have taken 7 by 3. So 7 by 3 is smaller than, for 27 by 6 we have taken 9 by 2, 9 by 2. So 7 by 3 is smaller than 9 by 2. Okay. Whenever you find which is smaller, which is greater in the fraction form, you just take out the LCM of the denominator and find the answer. Now come to example number 15, page number 86. Example number 15. Question is arrange the following fractions in ascending order. See, fraction is 2 by 4, sorry 3 by 4, 2 by 5 and 4 by 7. Okay, see, so we have to arrange it in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. So in this number you can see all numerator are different and all denominator are different. So it is very difficult to find ascending number according to this. So what we will do, if I will do all denominators same, then we can easily find the increasing number which is smaller, which is greater. So that like that way we can arrange it in ascending order. So here we need to find, either we will do numerator same or either we will do denominator same. So when we will do denominator same, it will be easy for us. You see. So we find the LCM of 4, 5 and 7 denominator. So 4, 5, 7 LCM will be what? 5 into, because 4, 5, 7 LCM you cannot find. So multiply 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 7, 140. So 4, 5, 7 LCM will be 140. So now I told you, okay, so whatever number you will multiply with all this denominator, the denominator should come 140. See 3 by 4. Okay, now what number I will multiply, so it will come 140. So one thing you can do, denominator is 4. So you just can divide to 140. This is rough and you can check. 4, 3 times 12, 2, 0, 4 times 5, 20. You see, 35. So it means in the table of 4, when you will multiply 4 into 35, 150 will. So when you multiply with 35 with denominator, you will multiply with numerator also. So 5 into 3, 15, 3 into 3, 9, 105, and for 35 for the 140. Okay. Now come to the next number, 2 by 5. So this also you need to check. So again what you will do, same thing, divide with 140. 5 into 2, 10, 4, 0, 5 into 8, 40, 5, 28 times. So it means when you will multiply with 28, you will get 140. So when you multiply the 28 with denominator, so you have to multiply with numerator also. Here you have to think, whatever number you multiply with the, whatever number you multiply with denominator, so same number you have to multiply with numerator also. Okay, it should not be different. Come to next number, that is 4 by 7. 4 by 7. Again check. So by 20 time it will come 20 into 4, 80, 20 into 7, 140. So see, in this all number we have find the all denominators same. Now you have to arrange in ascending order, means increasing order. So therefore, see, 56 is greater than, is smaller than 80, 80 is smaller than 105. So this is increasing order. First this 56 after 80, this is increasing order is there. So therefore, for 56 what is there? 56 by 140. For 80 it is 80 by 140. For 105 it is 105 by 140. Okay. So therefore, for 56 1 by 40 is what? 2 by 5, comma 80 by 140 is what? 4 by 7, comma, and 105 by 140 for what? 3 by 4. So this is in ascending order. So whenever you find different numerator, different denominator, you just take out the LCM of the denominator. Now do all denominator. Okay. Whatever LCM you will find, you have to make sure that your denominator also should be that. So you can just divide and you can find a number, and after that you can multiply and you can do the denominator same. You have to do all in step. You just, if it is decreasing order, then it will be 108, 105, 56 and 80. Just you compare and write the answer. So with the help of this example 15, you can easily solve exercise 34. So now in chapter 8 will be over. In lecture number 2, I will go for chapter 9, addition and subtraction of common fraction. Okay, in chapter 8, we have seen common fraction. Now in chapter 9, we will see addition and subtraction of common fraction. Okay, so we will meet in lecture number 2.